My name's Bill Nicely. I work at Cornerstone Building Brands. I've been there for 47 years. I started in July of 1977. I've been through different departments of the company. I started out in grinding, went to blending, to machine operating, to maintenance, and now I'm in the stock room. And throughout the years, I have seen the plant grow in many different perspectives. Our main job is to keep the equipment up and running from day to day and trying to keep parts in stock so there's no downtime and keep our production going out the door. Well, I look forward to coming in every day for not knowing what the different day's gonna bring. I mean, you come in looking one way and the whole day changes. So you just never know what today's gonna be.